Hello, friends, and welcome back to Master Media Content, where we keep showing you how to run your business on social marketing. Today's video, we are going to be showing you how to create an ad on Canva, which again, this is going to be a step-by-step guide giving you exactly what you need to do to throw this onto Facebook. Now, if you haven't, I would recommend going back and watching some other videos, how you can then throw your ad onto Facebook and even link it with Instagram. Now, if you do not have a Canva account, this is totally free. So again, make sure to go to Canva and get this account for free. If you want, you can pay for subscriptions for other things that they add on, but for being free, what you can get from this is actually a really good product. So first of all, you're going to go to the website of Canva here, as they're seeing here. Now you're going to go to what we will design today. So you're probably thinking, we're running a Facebook ad, let's run a Facebook ad here. But really, this is where you're going to find your first error or mistake, because yes, these all look great and what you want to see. Nowadays, most people are on Facebook, they're using their phone. So these are not going to show up well on your phone, because if I were to click on this, you're pretty much only going to see this little section. You're not going to see the outer part here. So again, we want to make sure we're utilizing the entire space when we are making an ad. So actually what you're going to want to do is go back, and we are going to actually type in Instagram, and I think Reels or Stories should pop up here. So we can do a post actually, because that will work as well, the portrait here. And now we are seeing a great way to see exactly how this should look. And there's already a great few images here. Now, I'm going to pick this one because there's a reason why, because I think this is a good option to show you what you can do with an ad. Now, as you see here, we have 4 different images. So this again is why I want to pick this one. And I'm doing this as I'm going through this. So again, this is just me demonstrating through this. So we're going to take this image, we are going to delete that image, and see how there's a cloud space here. We can now add a different image to this spot if we want to. So if I went to uploads and looked at all these different players, and we were just gonna, I have soccer here for right now, we're gonna put Harry Kane in there. So we have Harry Kane running in this picture. We can keep this one, we can then change this one, and we're gonna delete that image again. And we can add in, say, another player here. Let's go with Erling Haaland. Again, if you're not familiar with soccer, you're probably not even know who these people are, and that's totally fine. But we can continue to do that. But what we can also do is, if I delete this one here again, we're going to go back here, and I'm not sure if I actually have one here, but let me double check, is I want to put a video here. And why I want to do this is because when you add a video, and one thing I'm going to talk about here is, see how there's a little pro here? So because I have a free account, this is going to show up here. I can still add in here, but if I were to download this, this watermark would still be here. So again, this is one of the perks. If you do have a trial, you can do here, or again, if you have the pro itself. But why I wanted to show you this, so if you are looking at this right now, or hit play, this is exactly how your ad would look. So you would have 3 still images and 1 video. What you can do from there then, if you wanted to, you could actually do different images or different videos in all 4 areas and actually have them going simultaneously. So say your chiropractic office, you can have one here doing x-rays, one here doing adjustment, one here doing the meet and greet, and one just a picture of your complete office, or even just talking to patients. There are multiple things, and you could even do multiple pictures in this area. I'm just doing these 4 for right now. And if you wanted to, let's say you didn't like that, you could always delete out and put another picture or video in that area. And again, Canva gives you the capability of doing that. Now, what I would recommend though too is putting some type of text on it. So what you're going to do is, this is my ad. And now, as of right now, this is a good example. This would be bad ad text right now because it's very difficult to see. So what you'd want to do then is go to effects. I like doing outline. I think this is one of the better ways to actually see an image pop off the table. And so if I wanted to, I could change the colors. Let's do white here. And you're already seeing how this now comes off the screen a lot easier. And we can obviously make it bigger to see. And I'm going to go back and compare to what it looked like before. If I take that off, again, this black is very difficult to read on the black background here, and even the rest of these images. Now, what you could do is you could also change the color of the text as well. I think white actually might be better. If I go back to effects and now I do the outline and I actually go to black instead, I think this is going to be a lot easier to read. And therefore, like I said, we can do that. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to add a little bit of animation to this. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, but again, this gives a little more eye-catchiness to the ad itself because, like I said, you want to have things when people are scrolling through their feed, they're trying to see something that catches their interest. And if you do something along these lines, you will actually have that more interest relatability to someone. So again, depending on your topic, obviously, like I said, if I said chiropractic, but say it was something for dog walking, you had multiple different dogs in there, you had text with some dogs walking through and everything. You could do a lot more things, so when someone's scrolling, they're looking for someone to walk their dog, this would be a perfect way to do that. Now, like I said, what you want to do then is put this into your Facebook ad. You want to make multiple different text or images of this itself. Now, I can show that in a different video when you do A/B testing and also split testing along with different tiers in your set campaign. If you want to see that, comment down below and I can walk you through it. Like I said, each and every video, I'm showing you just a nice, simple guide, step by step, how to do this. And like I said, if we actually go back to our screen here, I'm going to just show you the one last thing here. Where did it go actually? There we go. What I'm going to show you here is then all you're going to do is you're going to hit share and you are going to download this. Now again, I do not have the Pro on this account. So again, this is going to pop up saying I can't do that. Well, actually I took it out so we can download this. So if I hit download, it's right there, and this is going to go into my file, and I have that capability now. I can go into Facebook and actually add it up, and very simple. And I think, like I said, Canva is probably the easiest way to do this. There are different applications out there that you could probably run, but like I said, when I'm doing any type of ad work, typically Canva is the easiest one to work. And then if you wanted to, like I said, you could do a subscription. There's plenty add-ons from that. Again, I can make a whole video on what you can actually get when you do have a pro account, because I do also have a pro account. I'll just show you for one without one. But like I said, there are capabilities of what you could do with Canva, and you can really create a very solid ad, and you do not have to put all this money behind it because Canva does have the capability, especially with its AI generation now as well. But like I said, if you see a few different things you like on an ad, you can almost copy and paste it into your own Canva and create your own ads that way. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I greatly appreciate if you do hit the like button, subscribe down below. It means a lot to me. Also comment down if you do have any questions. Again, that gets the ball rolling. I can answer those questions and create more videos for creators like yourself. So that is all I have for you. If you do want more information too, I do have a newsletter. You can always sign up for that as well. That gives you just a little more in-depth conversation from me. But like I said, that's just there. It's totally free. You can accept it if you want to. You don't have to. But again, it's there for you. I'll see you in the next one.